Question number 3. Listen carefully to every question, sir. ABC are natural numbers. ABC are natural numbers such that ABC are natural numbers such that S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C. It is nothing but 1 is to 7 is to 4. Find A is to B is to C. Find A is to B is to C. Options are 2S is given by A plus C plus B. A plus B plus C by 2. Options are 8 is to 10 is to 6. Just learn from every question how I am going to solve it. Right? If I were to write this exam, learn from the 14 years of experience and 350 plus batches. 11 is to 5 is to 8. A, B, C are natural numbers such that S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C is 1 is to 7 is to 4. A is to B is to C is how much? 2S is A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C by 2. A is to B is to C. Look at Anil Nair's way of solving. I don't need to solve the equation. What most of the students they will do it. S minus A K, S minus B. What you will do is S minus A is K, S minus B is 7K, S minus C is 4K. You will add all of this and you are doing it. In case if you are thinking it like this, please avoid it. This is an original CAT question. You are here to learn the concepts from Anil Nair. Now, if this question is there, how I looked at this question is, first I will read the question. A, B, C are natural numbers such that S minus A, S minus B, S minus C ratio is 1 is to 7 is to 4. Find A is to B is to C. First observation. This is maximum. S minus B is 7. S minus A is 1. S minus C is 4. If you just listen, probably 20-30 seconds you can solve it without adding. Please see here. What is the maximum value? You can take K here. That also not required. That is a constant. S minus B 7K. SC is a constant. This is the definition. This is maximum. If it is maximum, B is preceded by a negative sign. B will be minimum. That means B value should be minimum in the answer. B value should be minimum in the ratio. B is maximum. B is not the minimum. So there are two options. This one and this one. Okay. Next. S minus A is K. K means it is 1. It is a minimum. If this is minimum, A should be maximum. A should be maximum. A should be maximum. B should be minimum. What is the answer? 11 is to 5 is to 8. How much time it takes just to look at a question and answer it? Please tell me, sir. Why you need to take S minus A as K, S minus B as 7K, S minus C as 4K, add all the values, substitute 2S equivalent to A plus 2S equivalent to A plus B plus C. Sorry, sir. 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. I hope it is clear, right? Just by looking at a question, you can get the answer. Just by looking at a question, you will get the answer. Again, second time I am explaining, listen carefully. Every question, your complete attention should be there on the concept, sir. Because only if you understand it, right, you will be able to think like me in the further classes. S minus A is K. S minus B is 7K. S minus C is 4K. In the ratio given S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C. What is the maximum value? 7. S minus B is 7. That means 7 will be maximum. If 7 is maximum, S1 definition is given. B is preceded by a minus sign. So B should be minimum. B should be minimum. In the answer ratio, B should be minimum. 8 is to 10 is to 6, it is out. 7 is to 8 is to 9, it is out. Just looking at a question, no mathematics is involved, just my observation A and C is out. Next, S minus A is 1. 1 is lowest. A is preceded by a minus sign. If 1 is minimum, A should be maximum. In the ratio, A should be maximum. 11 is to 5 is to 8. Absolutely scintillating concepts I am going to discuss. Do not miss any single problem. These concepts or these approaches you will not find in the regular textbook. This comes out from the 14 years experience and sending 100 percentile almost 8 times in the last 10 years. I hope it is clear, right sir?